Hi guys! Today we're going to see how to read blurred text on a photo on iPhone. If you have a blurry image and you can't clearly read the text, then don't worry because there are a few simple tricks that can help you make it more visible. So let's go step by step and fix it easily. First of all, unlock your iPhone and open the Photos app. Once it opens, go to your gallery and find the image that looks blurry or unclear. Tap on that photo to open it properly on full screen. Sometimes text looks unreadable because of low quality or blur, but we can still try to make it clearer. Now use two fingers and zoom in on the area where the text is written. Slowly zoom in as much as possible, because sometimes increasing the size helps you see hidden or unclear letters more easily. Honestly, this is the simplest trick and works in many cases when the blur is not too strong. If the text is still not clear, then look at the bottom center and tap on the Edit or Adjustment option. This will open the editing tools where you can change brightness, contrast, and exposure. These settings can help improve visibility and make blurry text slightly sharper. So don't worry, just adjust slowly. Now carefully adjust the brightness and exposure sliders. Increase brightness a little and also adjust contrast so the text becomes more visible. Sometimes reducing highlights also helps a lot in making blurry text clearer. So try different settings until you can read the text properly. Once you feel the text is a bit clearer and readable, simply tap on the Done button at the top right corner to save the changes. After saving, you can view the image again and see if the text is easier to read now. And that's it. Your blurred photo is now adjusted for better visibility. So guys, that's how you can try to read blurred text on a photo on iPhone using simple zoom and editing tricks. I hope this tutorial helped you understand it better. If you found this useful, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also comment below what iPhone tutorial you want next.